This video shows the procedure on how to update the REC Wi-Fi module and how to update the BMS unit using Wi-Fi module. Connect the main connector to the Wi-Fi module. Apply 10 to 68 volts power supply. BMS connection is not required for the Wi-Fi module firmware update. Select REC BMS app connection from the Wi-Fi connection list. Wait until the connection is established. Open your default internet browser and enter the Wi-Fi default IP address. Home tab is shown without the BMS data. Select the Firmware tab from the drop menu anyway. Scroll down to the Firmware Update Input section and press Browse. Select Update Binary File and press Update. Now browse for SPIF's binary file and press Update. Disconnect and reconnect the power supply to reset the Wi-Fi module. Let's update the firmware on the REC BMS 1Q unit now, using the already updated Wi-Fi module. Select the Firmware tab from the main menu and set the BMS RS485 communication settings. BMS has an address set to 1 and a default bitrate of 56 kilobits per second. Press Set to establish the communication. Select the Home tab from the main menu to observe the most relevant BMS data. To update the BMS firmware, select the Firmware tab again and scroll down to the Firmware Update input. Select the BMS binary file that has to start with the lowercase BMS underscore and the file name. Press Update. Reset the BMS unit using Power On-Off button to load the firmware to the BMS. Close the Firmware Update dialog and wait the BMS to self-restart with updated firmware. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our webpage.